are backstage here at the Hideaway. Tonight is Methamphetamine's first solo independent booking. She got it here all by herself. See some of the crazy that's going on here before the show. And, well, our girl of the evening is here, Miss Methamphetamine, with the lovely Chloe Couture. They're both looking lovely tonight. The lovely ladies in red, just working it out. They both got sexy shoes on, fierce hair, fierce faces, and it's going to be a fierce show tonight. Right now, Miss Sierra Santana's on stage. She's working it. And then it's going to be Miss Michaela, and then Miss Chloe, and then Beth, and it's just, yes.
I'm up next.
She's up next. Oh, Miss Chloe's up next.
Record this shit.
We bring a little bit of Plaza Midwood down here to Rock Hill, South Carolina. So, what Shiprock, Duck Harbor, this We Love You. Kisses to you guys. We miss you, but we spreading the love and spreading the word.
Chloe loves you. Chloe loves you, even though she don't know you.
Chloe loves the Shiprock. She's been out. She's rocked before with us. So, y'all stay tuned. We got some craziness coming up for y'all tonight. Have fun. Taking a minute there to